Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Tariq Shahzad. Today we are going to discuss about the plasma membrane. The question related to this total work is that what is plasma membrane? Write or discuss its structure. Means if question is define plasma membrane and write its structure only, then it will cover your answer, and it is I think more than your 4 marks. So it will guarantee that you will get your 4 marks if the question is what is plasma membrane and discuss its structure. That is sufficient for this one, and we will explain this question in such a way that what is plasma membrane. To cover this question, plasma membrane and its structure, you have to form 3 different type of headings. Number 1, write its occurrence of plasma membrane. Number 2, write its composition. And number 3, write its structure. These 3 components will cover the answer of this question. So number 1 is occurrence. Plasma membrane is present in all type of cell. It is present in prokaryotic cell, it is present in eukaryotic cell, it is present in fungal cell, bacterial cell, animal cell, plant cell. All type of cell has plasma membrane, but in animal cell outermost boundary is plasma membrane, whereas in plant cell plasma membrane is covered by another membrane that is called as cell membrane, cell wall. It means that in plant cell outermost boundary is cell wall, and inner side of cell wall is present plasma membrane. Now next one is chemical composition. Chemical composition mean what type of material form the plasma membrane. It consists of 3 main type of compound. Number 1, protein. Number 2, lipids. And number 3, carbohydrates. Protein will form 60 to 80% of the plasma membrane. Lipids will form 20 to 40% of plasma membrane, whereas carbohydrates only small amount. It is present in very small amount in plasma membrane. So MCQs may be in the form of that what type of compound is present in maximum concentration in plasma membrane. So answer will be protein, as we know that it make 60 to 80% of plasma membrane. And then the next point is lipid. It will make 20 to 40% of plasma membrane, and the minimum amount of compound that is present within the plasma membrane is carbohydrate, that is present in conjugated form, glycoprotein. Glyco mean glucose, protein mean protein, means carbohydrates and protein will combine to form glycoprotein. Next one is its structure. Many scientists contributed to form its structure. There are many type of structure to explain the structure of plasma membrane, but here we will discuss only 2 type of structure. Number 1 is unit membrane model, and number 2 is fluid mosaic model. So first one is unit membrane model, and second one is fluid mosaic model. According to unit membrane model, lipid bilayer sandwiched between outer and inner layer of protein. Once again, according to this model, plasma membrane consists of 2 layers. Number 1, protein layer, and number 2, lipid layer. Protein layer is outer layer and inner layer. Between outer and inner layer of protein there is a lipid bilayer. Means between these my 2 hands there is a other layer that is known as lipid bilayer. So lipid bilayer is on outer side, and on inner side is covered by a protein layer. This one is unit membrane model. So this one, from that point to that point, it is a lipid bilayer, or this one is lipid bilayer. Outer layer is also protein and inner layer is also protein. It means that according to this model, the protein layer is in a continuous way over the lipid layer. So but modern concept not supported it. Modern concept say that protein layer is not in a continuous form, though. So this model is unit membrane model is earliest model, incomplete model, and not explain well the structure of plasma membrane. So modern concept not supported it as lipid bilayer not sandwiched between protein layer. So this one is the structure of unit membrane model. Outer layer is protein layer, inner layer is also protein layer. Between outer and inner layer, this black layer is a lipid bilayer. This one is first layer and that one is second layer. So the outer part that are touched with the protein layer are hydrophobic. Hydro mean water, hydrophilic. Hydro mean water and philic mean lover. They are water lover, whereas inside of these protein layer is hydrophobic. Hydro mean water and phobic mean repellent, fear, mean they have feared water, or they are water repellent. Next one is fluid mosaic model. According to fluid mosaic mean धब्बों की शक्ल में, not present in the continuous form, they are present in somewhere, not everywhere. So according to this model, protein layer not confined and continuous. These 2 points are very important. Protein layer is not confined and not continuous. Confined means limited. That protein layer is not limited to the surface of membrane, and protein layer is not continuous to the surface of protein. Mean this one says that it is continuous, but fluid mosaic model so says that no, it is present somewhere in the plasma membrane, not over the continuous way over the lipid bilayer, but is present somewhere in the lipid bilayer. So protein layer is not confined and continuous to the surface of membrane. So in which form it is present? It is present or embedded in mosaic manner. Mean it present in mosaic manner, present in somewhere over the layer or within the layer or completely embedded in the layer of lipid. So according to this model, these green show that this one is one lipid layer and this one is second lipid layer, so it will become lipid bilayer, and that is one protein molecule, this one is other protein molecule. Cholesterol is also present, glycoprotein is also present. So keep in mind that one thing I show here, that the fiber of cytoskeleton, and keep in mind that cytoskeleton is present within the plasma membrane or inner to the plasma membrane. So this one is inside of the cell and extracellular matrix is outside of the plasma membrane. So this one is outside of the cell and this one is inside of the cell. That was all about the answer of the question, what is plasma membrane? Write or discuss its structure. Okay.